Hello guys, welcome to NS channel. How are you? Hopeful always given health. Okay, I will discuss about crypto tax filing in India. Key points explain. Cryptocurrency tax in India. Crypto tax filing India 2022. Third, the Union Budget 2022 proposed to classify cryptos as virtual digital asset (VDA), even as crypto has been specified as assets. Tax treatment is not like other assets. Cryptocurrency tax in India, VE 2022 and 2023. The Union Budget 2022 proposed to classify cryptos as virtual digital asset (VDA). Even as crypto has been specified as assets, tax treatment is not like other assets. As per the new crypto tax rule, an individual has to pay a flat 30% tax on income earned from transfer of cryptocurrency and other virtual digital assets, including NFTs. According to Dev Gupta, founder and CEO of Clear, formerly ClearTax, the taxpayer is not allowed any deduction from the crypto assets sale price except the cost of acquisition. The government recently telegraphed that the mining infrastructure cost will not be included in a calculation of the cost of acquisition. The intra-head adjustment of loss, i.e. set of loss arising from one VDA with the income from another VDA, is not permitted. Explain this with an example. Gupta said, if you have a loss from the transfer of Bitcoin and have profit from the transfer of NFTs, you cannot knock off the Bitcoin loss from the profit on the transfer of NFTs. You will have to pay a flat rate 30% tax on profit from NFT transfer. Further, losses from crypto transfer cannot be set off against income under any other head. This means gains from the sale of equity, mutual funds, assets such as property, etc. won't be allowed to be set off from loss from crypto. The crypto tax law mandates that the taxpayer cannot carry forward cryptocurrency loss. If you have a loss from the transfer of crypto in one financial year, it cannot be carried forward to the next year to set off against future gains, Gupta told VE Online. The taxpayer will have to pay 30% tax on cryptocurrency on other VDA from assessment year 2023 and 24. That means all your income from the transfer of VDA is in VE 2022 and 23 will be taxed at the rate of 30%. Gupta suggested the crypto investor should shelter their advanced tax liability after considering the tax income from the transfer of crypto and NFT and pay the advanced tax installment according. The government must make it clear the virtual digital asset VDA are not occurrence. However, the term transfer is not defined in relation to virtual digital asset. It is defined for capital assets in the Income Tax Act. The law needs to clarify what transfer means and whether it covers transactions where goods or services or covers against crypto said Gupta. If the law clarifies considering such transaction under the definition of transfer, then the TTS provision will apply here. He added, in the case a person transferring crypto will be required to the TTS because a transfer has taken place. Such an event will be taxable in the hands of the one transferring crypto. This, the business will be required to report receipts on the value VMV of crypto assets as a consideration for providing goods or service. If the business sells or transfer the crypto in any manner, again, event of transfer of crypto will take place, and tax will have to be paid on such transfer. Tax on crypto or NFT airdrop or gaming coins. Crypto and NFT companies often use airdrop to promote the launch of their project. Airdrop are similar to receiving a voucher with a discount code in your email. Such crypto airdrops or coin earned through gaming may be considered gift within the construct of the incoming tax act, and such gifts are taxable in the hands of the recipient, said Gupta. The government has also expanded the definition of specific movable assets to include virtual digital assets. Thus, gifts received in the form crypto assets will be taxable if the fair market value exceeds the threshold limit 15,000. However, Gupta said the planned drafting of the crypto tax provision clarifies that the gift received from relative or on specific occasions will be exempt from tax. Enough of me. Thank you. Bye bye.